What's up to all of you? What's up to all of you?
Marami ka pang bigas sa kakainin.
What's up to all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro. Welcome in Ninong TV. You are watching this on Facebook and on YouTube. So we are viewing here two platforms so that you can educational blog shows and entertainment made by your Denver Ninong Castro. Okay, for this very special episode or content that I will give in to you is Ninong Plays Roblox with Elijah live at Black Sprouts, discovering the Roblox game for fun, entertainment, and business. Of course, did you know that the Roblox is also a form of business because the owner of this, Mr. David Baszucki, is also earning millions, and he's now a multi-billionaire American businessman because of having the game of Roblox. And later on you will discover the title or the meaning rather of the Roblox in which it came belong. So you will discover one of the millennial games of all time in our generation, playing by the young minds and the millennial people, just like your Ninong. Okay, so today I will give you a special video blog that is perfect for entertainment and for fun games, together with my millennial cousin Elijah from Cavite. So first of all, I want to shout out my pinsan Elijah. Hello, hopefully you're in the good condition. Miss kita, study hard, and it's been 3 weeks after I visit there, so I miss you again. You study hard there, you good, magpakabait ka sa iyong mga kapatid. And of course, shout out na rin sa aking family there. We have Tito Michael, Tita Christy, Yasha Monay, and Baby Pet, Lola Presi, and of course my daddy. And we also have Tita Rachel, Tito Joe, Joseph, and Daniel, Baby Nis, and Lolo Rodi, Andre, and EJ, and Kuya Eli. Ang dami nyo.
And Bayaw
And of
Albi
course,
and
you
Tita
know,
Luneng
just like a lot of family member that I share to you. It's just like a Roblox. In Roblox, you can discover your family or your friends in a robot style. So you will discover them that they are different, no? They become robot, they become dinosaur, and then you can add on the Roblox. You can chat your friends, your family there while you are playing or you're in the other places. It's just like an imaginary world that you belong in that place. Example, in the SM, yes, or in the mall rather. And then this is your friends or family. You are wearing like a robot style. So that is a Roblox. And then somehow you are doing some of the any hero activity, like it's just like a Superman style or Batman. So halo-halo. So in this special episode, before I share to you our blog with my cousin, this is the meaning of Roblox first, and to discover once again the owner of Roblox. Wait, again, in 3, 2, 1, I will fix my style, my hair, etc. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Came from Cavite, so I discovered the game of Roblox here, no? Supposedly I discovered the game of Roblox since 2018 because my best friend also have that. And then in the next years, I discovered the Roblox is a good game. It's a form of entertainment and a form of business also, because you can spend here for your game, to buy the skin, to buy the game. It's just like a parts. So later on you will discover, and I will explain it to you. So the first introduction here is, what is the meaning of the game Roblox? Alright, the meaning of that game, the Roblox meaning, The name Roblox was named after the word robot, like robot. It's the game but is run by people. It's game where you play other people's games or make your own. It's a fun way to meet up with your friends or to make friends. So that is the meaning of Roblox. And the owner is David Baszucki. He's an American businessman who also have billions of money, 2.9 billion, something like that. He's a entrepreneur businessman that created the Roblox game. Wow, it's so awesome to see that even that is only a game, it's only for kids, but not totally for kids, but that is a business owned by Mr. David, right? Now you will check it out, the Roblox game, together with your Denver Castro and his cousin Elijah Mata, that we will give you a Roblox game that we are live here on Blacksprout, one of the games that you can discover in Roblox. So check it out. Let's play and let's discover new fun and entertainment.
What's up mga tropa? Ngayon maglalaro kami ng Elijah ng
Blackfruit.
Blackfruit. Hindi ba jackfruit?
Di mo ba jackfruit? Ano yung jack in the castle?
Kumbaga talaga
Kung sa ano jungle, hindi mo na itaprot.
Tapos, kala mo mga share lang tapos.
Nagmanag ka kuya. Pero doon na ako sa ano, ito na ako dyan.
Nag-iwan ako ng chat sa taas. Marunong ka mag-chat dito.
Oo.
Nakakatulong.
Hi, Elijah. Oh, sagot ka
Kaya
na.
may kaya.
Ay, bakit Elijah B?
Babayaran mo ng fees. Nakakatulong. At mahal na.
Ay,
Nakikita ko yung pangalan mo.
hindi Legoswi.
kaya?
Legoswi.
Ay nga.
Pero nakita niya yung
Tara dito, punta tayo dito. Tara,
Bakit
kaya alam
invisible ka?
Ha?
Hindi kita makita.
Naglalag kaya tayo dito.
Ayun o, nakikita ko yung pangalan mo.
Sa akin ba? Ano?
Ay, tara sundan mo ako dito.
Ayun, nabuhay ka na. Nabuhay.
Sundan mo na ako kaya. Meron na akong papakuha sa'yo yung code. Lagay mo dito sa codes area, kuya.
Buti nga
Sa codes area, dito. Ay, mamaya na pag nabila na kita. Tara.
Shoulder mo yan lahat na ko. Baka mabaliw-baliw ka na. Hindi mo na alam kung saan ito kukuha. Mga abroad ka ngayon sa tinuruan lang mo. Dapat nakausap mo ka sa
Ay, na.
Tagal ako maglakad eh. Senior na kasi ako. Yun.
Dito sa ay sa ito, kuya.
mga ganyan.
Pupunta tayo jungle.
Ito nga.
Lapitin ko.
Dito ito flight. Uy! Sakay ka sabi ko.
Oto nga, nandito na ako sa loob. Ay, ako.
Baga naiintindihan niya.
Dito, ayun na may upuan na black. Hindi yan kuya. Ako nagdadrive. Ano?
Doon.
Oo.
Yung pala yung...
Punta na tayo jungle para makakuha ka ng fruit. Pag
Akueng Horieng Tondo.
dating mo kuya ng
Alalagyan ko pa ng vlog. Yung kunwari si Dolphin, si Shasha. Kunwari ng Tondo. Titanic.
Ayun, nandaksa, buli.
Nandito tayo.
nakano ka?
Oo, naka-video vlog. Edit ko pa to pag uwi ng Bicol. Lalagay ko yung mga mukha natin.
Siya pa rin naman ako.
Huwag mo nalagay.
Bakit?
Para magsabi yung mga tao, kuya ano yung mukha mo?
Sa ending intro.
Huwag mo papayit ng mukha mo. Katulad ni Gen Animation, di ka pinapayit ng
May
mukha.
mukha na kayo si Gen Animation.
Wala. Tara dito, dali. Bibilang kita ng fruit.
Kasi pag mga ganyan, alam ko,
Saan pa?
parang
Dito,
inaano na rin yun sa kanya yun.
Ay, dito yun, dito. Dito.
Ay, ikaw ba yun yung tumatakbo?
Oo.
Huwag na dapat.
Dito tayo.
Magagalit. Siyempre siya.
Ayan. Tara.
Oo.
Adult step ako. Tara.
Ay na nga.
Magkakabol pa yun.
Tanda na kasi tong karakter ko eh. Mabagal na mabagal.
Mabilis lang yan.
Senior. Kasi ka senior na.
Tapos magkakabol
Mabilis
yun.
lang yan, kuya. Pag nakapunta ng 90, tapos bili ka ng ano doon.
Bago ano.
Ano yung ganito? Yan, dalawang ano. Tara dito. Pag nag-level 300 ka, magawa ka ng puzzle, tapos cut mo ako.
Eh kung may choice
Tapos
ka na.
tutulungan kita sa puzzle para makuha mo ang sword ni Shang. Alala mo? Si sword ni Shang. Alala mo kaya?
Ayo, para marinig yung natin.
Tara, dito.
Hindi naman. Ilan pa na ba kayo? 8 years.
Tumbling kang lolo.
Lolo ko pa ba?
Hindi ko yun yung maganda.
Nasaan?
Dito ako. Hindi mo please, babigyan ka namin lang. Naman siyempre mauulin. Patayin yung malakas. Hindi nyo alam yung code boy. Wait lang, hintayin nyo ako dyan.
Yes. Dalagan.
Hintayin nyo ba ako dyan? Wait lang, nandiyan na rin ako.
Naganto ko lang
VIP
lang.
ako.
Hindi nga, pero...
Ano
Ay,
po?
sorry mo, pre.
Akin yan.
Hindi mo, pre. Hindi.
Ay. Fruit. Please.
Mabilbil pero wala pa panak.
Money. Napak. Ako.
It's been a hard day tonight. I've been working like a dog.
Kunin mo akong nilong ha. I need
Hindi
fruit.
lang din. Ay, ay, bakit din?
Ay, hindi ako binigyan.
Pupunta ako dyan. Pag ako nakakuha ng light fruit. Ay, ako na magliyabang mamaya. Makakuha tayo ng bomb fruit. Mahinang fruit. Hindi ako magyayabang. Basta, sabihin ko na lang sa sarili ko na kuha.
Sino tong Miguel?
Ah, player yan. Tara dito kuya.
It's been a hard day tonight. I've been working like a dog.
Dito kuya. Eh, baka mapatay. Ay, wala. Tara dito. Akit ka dyan. Ayan, akit ka dyan. Ayan, bibilan kita ng fruit. Lucky boo. Ayan, makukuha mo. Okay. Bye. At naubo.
Wala pa ba tayo yun? Wala na, pre?
Uy, teka lang. Fruit na kuha ko. Tara dito. Nag-drop ko.
Dito?
Kuya, kunin mo na.
Oo, maya. Pagkain na tayo din, eh.
Hindi, kunin mo na. Ayun na. Bilis. Baka ko. Ay, ito. Ayan.
Ayan, nakuha ko. Eh, paano?
Eat.
Si Daddy yan.
Eat. Ay, hindi. Combat. Ayan, eat.
Kayo ba kumain na kayo?
Yan, kayo, eat. Yan, eat. Oh, may love.
Sabi nila, Jollibee daw kayo, eh.
Ano, unang
Ay, nako.
Wow!
love food. Tara dito, bili. Medyo malakas din yan kasi may hahanapin din ako. Tara. Tutulungan kita magpa-level
Saan ka?
up. Eto.
Lumilipad ka.
Hindi ako lumilipad. Ano yan? Yung doon sa snow. Lagay mo sa code. Punta ka sa code.
Dito.
Ay, hindi dyan kuya. Dito. Code. Yan. Lagay mo. Kitty Gaming. Meron siya ibibigay na 2XD. 2 times Kitty. Dalawang T. Gaming. Wala. Try mo naman. Wait lang.
Basta yung mga paano na. Handa may premyo po ba yun?
Wait lang.
Parang fiesta na. Hindi mo na makita.
Ano ba yung code? Ayun. Wait lang. Wait lang. May ibang ayun, ina. Mr. Note.
So, what's up? And this is fruit. Ano daw? Black fruit. At ang aking malapit na kaibigan na si Lego Queen. At binigyan ako ng fruit na black fruit. Alright. At ngayon, nasaan siya? Nawawala na naman. Tatak ko na may fruit siya. Okay, tatak ko na may fruit time.
Ulit. Tinatama lang kita.
Ayun na.
Iban ka, mainig ka, sabi mo, what's up mga tropa? Today ay maglalaro tayo ng black fruit. Dapat malakas at dalas. At today, mga tropa, hindi nyo alam, binigyan tayo ng aking malupit na friend ang pangalan niya. So, binigyan tayo ng black fruit boy. Kung hindi nyo ba alam, hindi ko pa to alam maglaro, no? So, ibinigay siya sa aking code boy. At ang code na yun ay lalagay ko dito. Okay? Ganun.
What's up, all of you? And this is the Roblox game. Nandito kami ngayon sa Black Fruit kasama ang aking malupit na kaibigan na si Lego Swiss. Nabibigyan ako ngayon ng Black Fruit. Napakaganda nito dahil kami ay mag-explore with the good fruit, kakain ko ng fruit at magiging happy. Let's go!
Siguro, kaya lang din doon.
Sumabog ang likod ko. Yun na ba? Sinera? Ano? At ito na ang madaming po. Ito mga
Like engraved.
at ngayon, nasa na naman si Elijah Islo. Gawin mo ulit yun yung kanina.
Sige, sige. Sige. Kuha ka ta. Dapat sa computer para mas madali. Kasi sa akin, tablet yung ginagamit ko. Kaya malaki yung lakad. Common. Ayan. Combat pala. Pausugin mo siya. Tapos, ito. Ay, diba? Ang hirap, diba? Tapos, takbo ka lang. Ayun, ganyan.
Sabay po nating tuparin ang ating mga pangarap para maging kulay rosas ang ating bukas.
Tapos, ito pang isa,
Para mag-enjoy.
Wow, dapat yung mga...
Okay, you just discover the Roblox of your ninong together with my cousin. That was so happy. And that was so fantastic, right? So, in the next episode that you will discover is how much to spend if you want to have a Roblox, right? So first of all, I will show you my Roblox. My name in Roblox is Dentan123. So if you want to add me to play with me in the future, I'm there. And of course, my cousin's name is Legoski, no? Legoswi. So just put that name. It's just like a little bit Jejemon because some of the name in the Roblox is different. It's a username, in other words. So this is the thing that you will discover on my next vlog, is how much to spend on the Roblox or in the Roblox, because somehow some of our gamer spending 100 pesos up to 300 pesos, and somehow if they have a good variety of savings, they can spend up to 1,000 pesos only to play Roblox. What is that all about? You know, that kind of particular business is to buy a skin, just like in Mobile Legends, you are buying the skin of the character, and then you can go to other games that is unlock or lock, and then when you have $100 or $50 because of 300 pesos, you can enter that game, or you can buy a customization to your Roblox. So that is why the business created by Mr. David Basuki, not only to play, but is also a form of business. So you will check it out on this next slide. I will present it to you how much you can spend your Roblox or your Robux. Okay, you've just discovered the spend or a savings where you can plan to create your Robux. If you're planning for a 5 pesos, 300 pesos, 100 pesos, right? So para ka lang nag-Starbucks niyan, di ba? You have your 1,000 pesos. Para ka lang nag-Starbucks at nag-Jollibee if you have that money. So you will think of that, and of course you need to balance or to play it properly, to spend it properly, because somehow we are using the financial or the money. We have to be responsible for that, diba? Sabi nga nila, drink responsibly sa mga ganyan. But of course, here on the game, it's have a perfect time in all of the things that we wanted to happen, right? So maybe if you are having a perfect time, you have a savings, you can buy those of the Robux that is in your game. You want to customize, you want your Roblox to have a design. It's just like you have a warrior or anything that you want to customize. You can spend from a minimum of 100 pesos up to 300 pesos up to 500. Eh kung medyo yayamanin ka, edi 1K. But of course, you will think which of the prices there is available to your money and to your happiness, right? Because it's still part of the business. You are buying the services that Mr. David have, and that is a worldwide services, not only the Philippines. Philippines discovered that game, and it was made in America, and a lot of people is controlling and doing that games, diba? So that's all. Thank you for watching, and this is Ninong Plays Roblox with Elijah live at Black Fruits, discovering the Roblox game for fun, entertainment, and business. So this is not only a video blog, but this is also an entertainment purposes and business. So if you want to discover something, and also an education, because you are discovering the owner, Mr. David Basuki, it's not only for games, but it's also for business. So thank you and God bless, and this is your Ninong once again. Like, comment, subscribe, and watch the video in the YouTube and Facebook.